What's going on, everybody? I'm Dan with TechFit360, and yes, I'm back with another video. Take a look at what I have today. This is the Vankyo Cinemango 100 projector. I am really looking forward to this video because I haven't even thought of having a projector in many years. I was always turned off by that excessive fan noise. But when Vankyo reached out and asked if I wanted to give it a try, I couldn't say no. So I'm not going to keep you waiting. I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and then we're going to get this baby set up. Let's do it. Okay, now, if you're not familiar with Vankyo products, I'll leave their website address in my description. There you'll find more projectors, headphones, and tablets. Now, if you haven't checked out my Vankyo S8 tablet review, click the video link above and check it out. Now, as you can see, the projector comes in a very nice protective black and gray case, which is going to double as my work lunch container in the near future. But this is a mini projector, so it's very mobile, so it's cool having a good carrying bag for transport. So inside the bag, we have some cleaning swabs, as well as the quick start and user manual. On the right side of the case is where you'll find the small remote, which uses two AAA batteries that are not included, an HDMI cable, an audio video cable, and the power cord. Also included is a kickstand for height adjustment. Now, last but certainly not least is the mini projector. It's all in white and weighing in at around 3.5 pounds. On the top of the unit is where you will find all the function buttons, including the power button. Removing the lens cap will reveal, oh, what a surprise, the lens. Directly above the lens is where the keystone and focus rings reside. Now, these two work together to give you the best image possible. Taking a quick look at the back, there's a VGA connector, two HDMI ports, an audio video jack, headphone jack, two USB ports, a SD card slot, IR jack, and a power connector. Okay, now I'm ready for setup, and there's really not much to it. Just connect an import source like a laptop, Blu-ray player, PS4, Apple TV, whatever you have. You can also mirror what's on your iOS or Android device if you have the proper cables. Okay, I'm ready to roll. I'm just going to power this up. And the first thing that I noticed was that fan noise. So just remember, the further you are away from the projector, the better. Right now, I'm going to quickly show you the menu screen, which includes settings for picture, sound, auto timer, and options. Now, I decided to hang a temporary projection screen up since my walls are not white. I'll leave a link in my description in case you're interested in that as well. The directions say that the recommended projection screen is 100 inches. And you need to be about 9-10 feet away. Well, I'm roughly 6 to 7 feet away, so I'm not quite casting that 100-inch screen. All right, so here we go. And I just wanted to let you know that you'll be hearing audio recorded directly from the device using a Rode mic. Here we go.
London.
60 minutes is all it took to bring humanity to the very brink of extinction.
All right, everybody, so what did you think about the video quality and the audio quality? I'm gonna need you to leave me some comments on this one. But listen, I have to be honest, the video quality of this projector, it really did exceed my expectations. Now, I'm not saying it's perfect, but it did impress me. I found it even looked decent in a lit room, but definitely looks better with less light. I also found the audio quality to be decent as well, but I do recommend connecting a set of external speakers. One thing I did have a problem with was the focus, but I finally adjusted it enough and it looks pretty good for a budget-friendly high-definition projector. Let's quickly run down the specs. Native resolution, 720p, manual focus, 3-watt speaker, supports several video formats including M4, AVI, and MOV, supports several photo formats including BMP, JPEG, and GIF or GIF, whatever you prefer. LED lamp life, 50,000 hours, 4,000 lux brightness, dual fan cooling system, and a maximum screen size of 220 inches. I've enjoyed using this mini projector, and yes, I'm now open to having a projector in my room once again. Now, if you're looking for a projector that fits into your budget, then I highly recommend giving this a try. It's also backed by a 3-year warranty. Now, if you follow my Amazon link in my description, you can purchase one of these for yourself for $109.99, and I feel that's an excellent price. But wait, for my viewers, if you use this code, you will save 10%. This code is valid until July 31st, 2020. Thank you so much for watching today. Please let me know what you think of this projector. Is it worth it? Hit me up with some comments down below. Be sure to connect with me on social media and subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel for more tech videos. Again, this is Dan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next video.